seating arrangement, what does that mean? Basically, people are seated and they are arranged in any ways. That's all. Not seated, people may be standing. Okay, positioned, people may be standing, they are positioned and they are arranged in any ways. Arranged in a straight line, arranged in a circle, arranged around a table, right? That's basic example of seating arrangement. You all know the meaning, right? You all know English anyways. Yes, chalo. So, when I talk about seating arrangement, this is a very important concept, right? Will you all accept? Once you excel in seating arrangement concepts, 10 to 15 marks are in your pocket. Yes, 10 to 15 marks in your examination are in pocket. Yes, chalo. So, seating arrangement, how many types of seating arrangements can we see in the examinations? Banking or RRB or SSC, whatever it is. How many kinds of seating arrangements can we see? One will be linear based. What is meant by linear based? A straight line, okay. People are arranged in a straight line, linear, straight line. In linear based also, what all different methods we may have, what all different concepts we may have. They are in one direction. Yes, arranged in one direction. Next, arranged in, arranged parallelly or arranged in 3 or 4 lines. What I say arranged in one direction means all the people are in a straight line, one single row. They might be watching north direction or they might be towards south direction. This is arrangement in one direction. Whether they might be north direction, whether they might be watching south direction or jumbled. Some are watching north, some are watching south. Some are sitting towards north, some are sitting towards south. Yes, clear? Clear? Please confirm me if my voice is clear, ma'am. Okay, right. And next, if you see parallel, what does that mean? We'll have 2 rows. Yes, these people will be turning towards south, these people will be turning towards north. One case. Second case, both are turning towards north only or both are turning towards south only. Okay. Or advanced version we can see jumbled. Some in this, some in this line will be one towards south, one towards north. Some in this line will be one towards south, one towards north. Okay, you are understanding? Parallel rows, two rows will be there and people are arranged in that 2 rows. We will have a fixed number of students, we will have n number of students. That means they don't give number of students also, number of people also. We will have fixed number of people also. We don't know the limit of the number of people given. Then also we have to handle such kind of questions. Okay. When I say 3 or 4 lines, that means people are arranged in 3 lines or 4 lines. Again, same method, arranged up, maybe they are all sitting in a stadium. These people are sitting in a stadium, they are watching a match, okay, or they are sitting in different rows in a classroom where first row everyone is sitting towards north direction, second row everyone is sitting towards south direction, third row again north direction, like that. Okay, getting? Yes, yes, perfect. Chalo. So when I talk about linear based, this is one concept. Then what all we can have? Circular, a favorite concept, circular seating arrangement. When I say circular seating, what is that circular seating? There will be a circular table. Yes, you might be seeing circular tables. No, there will be a circular table and people are arranged around the circular table. Yes, right? These people are arranged around the circular table. Chalo, this is clear. And point here also we have different cases. How? People are arranged around a circular table, n number of people or limited number of people. All are facing towards the center is one concept, okay? All facing center or all facing outwards Yes, all facing outwards. Right? Or some facing inwards, some inwards and some outwards. Right? That will be one method. So, all will be facing inwards. When everyone is facing inwards, okay, here I have to clear one more point in linear based. If you see, first thing, when people are facing north direction, I am taking people are facing north direction. Now, am I facing north direction? Yes, I am facing north direction. Tell me which is my left, which is my right. Which is my left, which is my right? When I am facing north direction, this is my left, this is my right. Yes, yes. So, when a person is facing north direction, then this will be his left, this will be his right. Yes. Why? Direction is very important in seating arrangement, okay? Because, questions will be given based on that direction only. So, you have to definitely analyze the direction of the person, in which direction he is there. Now, in case, if the person is towards the south direction, see, now I am towards the south direction. Yes, what is my left? This is my left, this is my right. Yes, yes. So, when the person is towards the south direction, this will be his left, this will be his right. Very, very important point to be noted. Okay, while you are solving, in case if you want, you mark that left and right always. Because you get confused. You get confused in marking the positions of the people. Okay. Second thing, in circular seating arrangement, if you see, when I told you people are facing towards the center. See, this is a circle. Okay. This is a circle. People are facing towards the center. When people are facing towards the center, which will be their left? This will be their left. This will be their right. Yes. This is circle. So, people facing towards the center, this will be their left, this will be their right. So, this will be their left, this will be their right. For every person, the same thing, no? So, what I suggest you is, in initial days while you are practicing, if you take people arranged like this, okay? If you are taking people arranged like this, mark their positions, left, right. This will be left, this will be right. Yes, for this person, this will be left, this will be right. Are you getting what I am telling, ma? Okay. Initial days while practicing, mark the positions. As you increase your practice, you will be able to. But even then, it doesn't take much time. Even then, if you mark it, it will be very useful for you. Okay. Yes, yes. But as you go on practicing, you will get to understand how you can, you will be able to visualize their positions. Fine. This is about facing towards the center. If they are facing away from the center, then the positions will be reversed, They are facing towards the center, this will be left, this will be right. When they are facing away from the center, what happens? This will be their right, this will be their left. Yes, when they are facing away from the center, this will be their right, this will be their left. Clear? Clear? This will be two different models. Another model which we can see in circular arrangement is, we will have different number of people given, okay, and these people, some of them will be facing center of the circle, some of them will be facing away from the circle. Clear? Right? Some of them faces center of the circle, some of them faces away from the circle. Then also positioning is important. Right? Understood? Yes. After circular seating arrangement, what different things we can see? You tell me. We will be able to see square or rectangular, okay, square or rectangular seating arrangement. Square or rectangular seating arrangement means there is a table which is in a square shape, or there will be a table which is in a rectangular shape, and people are arranged, okay. One plus thing here in square and rectangular is they will give us that people are at the corner of the table. So, we get a fixed positions for the people, and people are arranged at the center of the table. So, they will give that positions for us, okay. And here also same concept, inside the table Inside the table, this will be left and right, inside the table. If they are facing towards the center of the table, this will be their left and right. If they are facing away from the center of the table, then reverse, this will be their right, this will be their left. Yes? Yes. So, even distribution of people will be there, odd distribution of people will be there. That means here if you see, there is an even distribution of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There will be odd distribution of people. Sometimes they say, in rectangular if you see, there are 4 different corners, people are seated. One side of the table only 2 people are seated, the other side of the table 3 people are seated. Okay, and the next 2 sides there are 1 people seated. So, even this form of questions also will come. They are all in the advanced version in mains level questions. Okay, here also same concept applies. Direction is important. You have to check for the direction. Done? Done? Then, what other models can we see? What other models can we see? Square, rectangular, finished. Triangular based, we can see. Okay. Same thing, triangular based means a table having a triangle, okay, a triangular shaped table. Again, people positioned at the vertices of the triangle and at the centers. Yes. Next, if you see after triangle, what we can see? We can see pentagon shaped, okay, pentagon shaped seating arrangement or hexagon shaped seating arrangement. Hexagon shaped seating arrangement or octagon shaped seating arrangement. You getting what I am telling? Yes, these kind of seating arrangements also we will be seeing. Pentagon means 5 sides. Yes, 4, 5. Pentagon shaped seating arrangement. Then we will have people arranged at the corners of the pentagon, again centers. Yes, that's how the arrangement is given. When you see hexagon 6, yes, octagon means 8, right? So, 8 corners will be there for the table, like that. Not only these, we could see vacant based. Some miscellaneous questions will be there, vacant based. Vacant based means, see, in all these, we could see people are positioned in the given places. People are positioned in given places. Vacant based is like, for example, if you take a circle only, okay. There are 7 chairs or there are 8 chairs. Okay, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 chairs, but they give only 7 people. There are 7 people who are sitting around this table having 8 chairs they will give. Okay, that means there is 1 vacant chair. Yes, 1 vacant chair. Such kind of vacant positions will be given. This is a fixed number. Will not have fixed number in some cases. If you take linear arrangement, in linear arrangement will not have fixed number in some cases. We will have n number of people and there are vacancies in between. Okay, such kind of questions we can call them as vacant based questions. Did you all understand what all the types of questions can we see? Yes, right, clear? Chalo. There is another important point which I want to mention. Even in the previous classes also we were seeing such type of questions. If at all, see the words, you have to be careful and watchful with the words. If there is a word who, this who will be talking about the person who is adjacent to who, always. Okay, what I'll take another page. Okay, see, if there is a word who or if there is whom, okay, are you getting what I am talking about? Are you understanding what I am talking about? Or while. If there are words like this, what does they indicate? For example, if at all I say A sits third to the right of B, who sits next to the left of C. Okay, if the statement is like this, A sits third to the right of B, who sits next to the left of C. What does this mean here? A is sitting third to the right of B. So, if you take B here, there, okay, we'll imagine that B, everyone is in the same direction, north direction, okay. So, if you take B here, A is sitting third to the right of B. Which direction is right side for B? This direction. So, A is sitting first, second, third. So, A is sitting here. This is clear, no? Next, who sits next to the left of C? Who? Who, when I said, when there is a word who or whom or while, this indicates the person, second person, okay. Who indicates the second person we are talking about. So, that means we are talking about B here. Who sits next to the left of C means B is sitting next to the left of C. Okay, B is sitting next to the left of C. What does that mean, next to the left of C? Or they can say immediate to the left of C. Immediate to the left of C is also correct. Next to the left of C also, this is a position. You are understanding? Words, you know, watchful for the words in the paragraph given. Very important. Okay, you have to be watchful for the words in the paragraph given. Clear? Yes? Right. Next thing, if they have words like and, okay, but, if they have words like this, okay, and, but, in case if they come, even while solving the passage also we will see, okay. Then what happens? Same thing. A sits third to the right of B and left to the left, okay, or and immediate left to C. Okay, immediate left of C. Okay, if this is a question, okay, A is third to the right of B, same thing, assuming that B is towards the north direction. A is third to the right of B, no, first, second, third, yes. And when words like conjunctions, you know, and when words like and comes, what we have to talk about? This and is talking about the first person. This and talks about the first person. That means after B, A is immediate left of C. A is immediate left of C. So, the position of C is here. A is immediate left of C. Clear?